Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to reset or refresh the Mozilla Firefox web browser on your computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's jump right into it. So we're going to start by opening up the Firefox web browser if it's not currently open. And you want to navigate over to the top right and you want to left click on the menu icon. And near the bottom of the list it should say help. Left click on that. And then go and left click on troubleshooting information. On the right side here underneath give Firefox a tune-up, left click on refresh Firefox. We'll get a little pop-up here saying start fresh to fix problems and restore performance. This will remove your add-ons and customizations as well as restoring your browser settings to their defaults. Left click on refresh Firefox to begin this process. It will take a moment. You might not have a chance to click on finish here. It might automatically close out and the new Firefox window should relaunch once it's done, and you should be good to go. So I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out, and as always thank you for watching, and I look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.